Good morning, dear students. Welcome to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. A pinhole camera. You might think that we need a lot of stuff to make a camera. Not really. If we just wish to make a simple pinhole camera. But it is based on the principle that light travels in a straight line. So let us construct a pinhole camera in activity 5. A pinhole camera is a device which forms an image of a bright object on a screen without using a lens. It works on the principle that light travels in a straight line. A pinhole camera can be made with simple materials and can be used to obtain the image of the sun and brightly lit objects. What are the properties of image formed by pinhole camera? It should be colored, inverted, smaller in size. Activity 5 is about to construct a pinhole camera. Take a medium-sized cardboard box. A shoe box can also be used, and blacken the inside of the box with black paint or color. With the help of a needle, make a tiny hole or pinhole on one side of the cardboard box. Cut out a rectangular portion of the side of the cardboard box opposite to the one on which the pinhole was made. Cover this rectangular hole with ground glass or a butter paper sheet. Stick the paper sheet with adhesive tape. This paper sheet serves as a screen. Our pinhole camera is now ready to see images. Place a candle on a table and light it with a matchstick. Place the pinhole camera a few inches away from the lighted candle, with the side having the pinhole facing the candle. Move the pinhole camera forward and backward so that a clear image of the candle flame is obtained on the screen. The image formed is colored. The image formed by the pinhole camera is inverted upside. This is because light travels in a straight line. Why we get inverted image in a pinhole camera? Because the image obtained in a pinhole camera is inverted because light travels in a straight line. In a pinhole camera, the light enters through a very fine hole in a straight line. Light rays coming from the top point of the object passes through the pinhole and strikes the tracing paper or a butter paper in the lower point. Light rays coming from the lower point of the object passes through the pinhole and strikes the tracing paper at the upper point. Thus, we get upside down image in a pinhole camera. There is an interesting pinhole camera in nature. Sometimes when we pass under a tree covered with large number of leaves, we notice small patches of sunlight under it. You can see figure 11.6. These circular images are in fact pinhole images of the sun. The gaps between the leaves acts as a pinholes. These gaps are all kinds of irregular shapes, but we can see circular images of the sun. Try to locate images of the sun when an eclipse occurs next. That could be so much fun. Bujo has this thought. We saw upside down images of people on the road with our pinhole camera. What about the images of the sun? Did we notice them to the upside down or anything like that? Paheli has another thought. Surely all these results that we are seeing Formation of shadows and pinhole images are only possible if light moves in a straight path. Match the following about natural pinhole camera. First one is given object. It should be sun. Second one pinholes, gaps between leaves. Third one screen. It matched with the ground. Thank you, dear students.